Hi, I'm Vanessa, and I'm Felicity, and we're at the beach finally. Some water. We're in our bathing suits, and she's sitting on our towels, our shoes, our clothes, food, seashells, shovel. So, oh look, a seashell. Hold on. See? Pick it up, put it in the pot. We're collecting the seashells. That one. Wait, I got another one. Sorry, we're collecting the seashells. So, we're outside, having fun. So, there's one more video that is left, even though I said this is the last one. So, watch for the next one. And, yeah, we'll be down by the water. So, yeah, bye for now.